Hi, my name is Reference, and today I'll show you how to do the abstraction in Photoshop. So let's create new file, and like background I want it to has white color, and let's do it 16 by 9. Okay, now you can paint here with different color lines, circles, everything, doesn't matter, as many as you wish, but I will use an image. I will choose a colorful image and let's open it. This one I think is good, and let us copy it and go to our new file and paste it. Okay, so you see we have the background and the layer with our colorful picture image. Now I'm going to filter, choosing Liquify and choosing forward warp tool. Okay, and starting to change our image, but you have to be careful to fill those spaces where you can see like PNG spaces, to fill them with some picture. Okay, that's what you are getting. Just change the picture not to be recognizable. Do what you want. Just fill those spaces here, no more. Okay, that's it. This is our abstract image. You can save it, you can use it, and so on. Thank you for staying with me and hope to see you soon. Bye!